Hey, sir? Hey, sir? Deputy Hazard at the Sheriff's Office. Hi, are you okay? Where are you coming from today?
Over here.
Over here? Okay, can you step out of the vehicle for me real quick?
A sheriff's deputy, a white Chevy, a man who swore he hadn't done anything wrong. What the law says about what happened next may surprise you.
Hey, sir. I don't know what he's got his hands on. Hey, sir? Hey, sir? Deputy Hazard at the Sheriff's Office. Hi, are you okay? Where are you coming from today?
Over here.
Over here? Okay, can you step out of the vehicle for me real quick? Hey, so, real quick here, take a step back to the vehicle for me.
Yes, sir.
And who are you, sir? Who am I speaking to? Go ahead, let's move to the back of the vehicle here.
Okay.
Keep going. You're good. You can take
Okay.
your hands off the vehicle. You can just relax for me.
Okay.
If you want to sit down right there on the deal.
I'm fine.
Okay. Were you involved in an accident?
No.
Okay, when did you get here?
This morning?
This morning?
Yeah.
Okay. When's the last time you had something to drink?
Well, I would say probably about 2 o'clock.
About 2 o'clock? Okay, and what time do you think it is today?
Well, right now it's got to be about 4.
4? So you had a...
Noon time.
Okay, so you had...
So then that would have been, shoot, it would have been 1 a.m.
1 a.m. what? What happened at 1 a.m.?
when I had the beer.
When you had the beer?
Yeah.
Okay, and you had another beer at 2 o'clock today?
No, sir, that's not what I'm saying. I'm saying
Okay.
it was about that time.
About 1 a.m.?
Yeah.
Okay, and you've been in this car this whole entire time?
Yep.
Where did you have a beer at?
Over at the whatchamacallit? What was it? It was no, it was over there. At whatchamacallit?
I don't know where whatchamacallit. A lot of people.
No, I get it.
Okay.
I get it. No, it was over there. At shoot, what was it called? Anyways, it's right over there.
36 16 secure.
Oh shoot, what's it called?
The Tav, Frontier.
Yeah, no, it was
The Red Horse.
Donkey.
Okay, the Donkey.
Yeah.
Okay, and you said you only had a beer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You seem a little wobbly. That's why I'm asking.
I know.
Okay. Do you take any medications or anything that?
I have been.
You haven't. You haven't driven today or anything like that, or you? How did you get here from the Donkey?
I just drove here.
How long ago?
A while ago.
A while ago.
Yeah.
Okay.
What's the problem?
Well, so somebody called you in and said, all units are code 4. Somebody called in and said that you were involved in an accident and you're passed out behind the wheel and all this stuff. So I'm trying to kind of figure out what's going on. Or did you have anybody else with you? Was it just you?
I think he's drinked.
What did you say?
I think he's drinked.
He was drinking?
Yeah, I think.
Oh, you think so?
Yeah.
Was he? What did his vehicle look like? His car?
It's, I think, white.
White?
Yeah.
Okay. What, like a white small car, a white
big,
truck,
big
car?
Big truck.
like a truck or like an
Yeah.
SUV?
Yeah, like.
Did it have a enclosed back or was it a truck?
White dog, big dog, white.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what did he say to you when he came in?
No, I
Didn't say anything?
no.
He just hit it and then left?
Yeah, only.
Car that you saw?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is?
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Did he buy anything when he was here?
No, sir.
He didn't buy anything, he just walked in then left?
No.
Okay.
You see my truck?
I haven't, to be honest with you, sir, I haven't been able to really.
I'm not passed out, and I'm not in. There's no damage. So I'm not sure what you're talking about.
Okay. I'm just telling you what was reported.
But no, I'm just sitting here waiting for my wife.
Okay. Okay. Where is your wife?
She's supposed to be coming here pretty quick, so we can head over to the other side of the mountains.
Okay. Is she going to be driving?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
She got breast cancer.
Sorry to
And so
hear
we
that.
have to go over to Overlake.
Okay. Sorry to hear that.
Yeah.
The medics were called because, like I said, you got called in as an accident. Would you let the medics check you out to make sure you're okay?
That's fine.
Okay, they'll ask you the same thing.
I didn't do anything, guys. Okay.
Nobody said you did. We just got a call saying that there was a vehicle in an accident and there was a male passed out at the wheel, and so that's why we showed up because we were concerned.
Okay.
So,
The dispatch report hit and run, driver possibly unconscious was enough. Under Terry versus Ohio, decided in 1968, a specific articulable report of active criminal activity establishes reasonable suspicion for an investigative stop. Ordering the subject out of the vehicle was equally lawful. Pennsylvania versus Mimms, decided in 1977, permits this as a matter of course during any lawful stop, no individualized threat assessment required. Everything the subject said before arrest was non-custodial. Under Berkemer versus McCarty, decided in 1984, roadside questioning is not custodial interrogation. Miranda had not attached. Every admission he made was fully admissible. His account shifted 4 times, 1 beer, 2 beers, 1 in the morning, then a schooner and a shot. Courts treat shifting accounts not just as credibility issues, but as evidence of consciousness of guilt supporting probable cause.
would you be willing to do some field sobriety tests?
What do you want to do?
I'd like to do HGN on your eyes.
Okay.
Okay, can you flip your hat backwards for me so that way I can see your eyes nice and clearly? Okay, and then can you go ahead and stand with your feet together? It's outside your pockets. Okay. Do you wear contacts, or have you had a traumatic brain injury or anything like that?
No, I've got a little bit of eye issues, but that's okay.
When you say eye issues, what exactly is that?
Allergies?
Allergies? Okay, so eye issues due to allergies.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you see the tip of my finger?
I can?
Okay, so with your eyes and eyes only, just follow the tip of my finger, okay?
Okay. Okay.
Okay, go ahead and blink for me. Okay, and then follow it again, okay? Stay looking at my finger.
Uh-huh. Out of the corner of my eye?
Yep, you're just
Okay.
going to follow.
Okay. Not turning my head?
Nope, you keep your
Okay.
head straight at me, and just with
Yes,
your
sir.
eyes, you're going to follow the tip
Yes,
of my
sir.
finger, okay?
Okay.
So you see my finger?
Uh-huh.
Okay, now just follow the finger, okay?
Okay.
Stay looking at it.
Okay.
You got to stay looking at it.
I am.
Okay. Can I have you do another test for me?
What's that?
So it's a walk and turn. I got to read it, so I make sure I give you the... What I want you to do is keep your feet together and arms down by your side like I'm demonstrating now.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? And it goes straight in front of you. Do you understand? Hold on. So go ahead and get back in the position with your arms down by your... Okay? Just like that, okay? So you understand that there's a line coming out of your foot.
Sure.
Okay.
I guess.
What you're going to do is you're going to put your foot in front of your other foot. So if the line's coming out of your left foot, put your right foot in front of your left foot, touching heel to toe. I will demonstrate.
Okay. Like this?
I'll demonstrate. So like this. Okay?
Okay.
So go ahead and get in this position.
Okay. Okay. Sorry, got a bad knee.
Do you have a bad... What's wrong with your knee?
It's new,
Your knee is new?
metal.
Do you have a knee replacement?
Yeah.
Okay.
See it?
Okay. Would you feel more comfortable just doing a one-leg stand? Or do you think you can try to continue this test?
Huh?
would you feel more comfortable doing a one-leg stand test, or do you think you can continue the test of the walk and turn? You're having a hard time getting in the starting position.
It is difficult because of that knee.
Okay.
It is what it is.
Can you balance on one leg if I were to ask you to?
You want me to do what?
Okay.
Just tell me what you want me to do.
Okay. Well, I'll tell you what, we'll give it a shot, okay?
Okay.
So, what I would like you to do is you're going to put your feet together just like we were standing earlier. Feet just like this, like I'm demonstrating. Arms down by your side. Do you understand how I'm demonstrating?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
While holding this position, you're going to count out loud in the following manner. 1001, 1002, 1003.
This is not a good position to do that with, but it's okay.
It's flat here. Do you feel like there's a better spot?
It's angled. It is not better.
We're on a gravel driveway. There's going to be some angle. I mean, there's no other spot we can really do it on. Understand?
Okay, yes, sir.
You may begin.
1001. No.
Do you want to try your other leg?
No.
Okay. I don't want to hurt you and cause any more discomfort or anything like that.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. Wow.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
You're going to be under arrest for DUI. Okay. So.
On-field sobriety testing, the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration protocols require officers to accommodate documented physical impairments. When the subject disclosed a knee replacement, modifying the test was not discretionary, it was mandatory. Failure creates grounds to suppress results entirely. The one-leg stand was conducted on sloped gravel, non-compliant under those same standards, which require a hard, level surface. This is an evidentiary vulnerability that was insufficiently documented. Probable cause does not rest on any single indicator. The totality nystagmus clues, slurred speech, red eyes, balance failure, inconsistent statements, a witness account, and visible vehicle damage met the constitutional threshold for arrest. Miranda versus Arizona, decided in 1966, required advisement at the moment of custodial arrest. The deputy complied. What followed is where the subject's legal position collapsed. The subject invoked his right to counsel, then kept talking. Under Edwards versus Arizona, decided in 1981, interrogation must cease upon invocation. It did, but spontaneous, unsolicited statements made without officer prompting fall outside Miranda's exclusionary scope. Every word was usable. Among those words, an admission that he backed into a concrete bollard at the bar after flatly denying any accident occurred. Denial followed by admission is one of the most damaging sequences a defendant can create for himself on camera. His post-arrest claim that he was home, had drunk after driving, and was not impaired at the wheel is a recognized affirmative defense. It requires credible evidence. His own prior statements made that evidence nearly impossible to produce.
Can you put your hands together?
Nope.
Like you're playing just like that, okay?
Yep.
Well, we have some conflicting reports from that. Okay, so you came from the donkey last night is what you're saying. And you
No.
only had one beer.
I had actually 2 beers
Okay.
at the donkey. Came here.
What did you hit that's yellow?
I did not hit anything that was yellow.
Your car has always been damaged in the front?
No. The breaker on the whatchamacallit,
Hold on, you don't need to
Hold on.
You don't need to show me. You
We'll
just
talk right here.
just
Okay.
explain to me now.
so anyways, the bar that was right there, the pillow, rubbed it because it was not seen in my truck thing.
Where at?
Huh?
Where was this?
It was right over there.
What does over there mean?
Well, it was, I can't remember what it was, but
So you
anyways,
hit something?
no, it was like what are those? What are they called? The I don't know. They're like a bar. You know, they go in the ground.
Okay, like a concrete pillar.
Yes,
Okay.
and
Is this like a concrete pillar
I
you see
backed
at a gas
out.
station?
I backed out, and I didn't see it, and I rubbed it, and that was it.
Okay.
I didn't hit any car. I didn't hit anything else. I just rubbed that, and that was it.
Okay.
Was that after you've been drinking or before?
No, that was before.
before you were drinking?
Yeah.
Okay. And
And like, and you can even go down there and talk to them and say, they'll tell you, I only had
and that's
a
it.
beer and a shot, and that was it.
Okay, because you're slurring and your eyes are red and you're having a hard time balancing.
No, I disagree.
To all of those things?
Yeah, no, I mean, I had a shot there and a beer, and that was it.
Okay, so you had a shot and a beer, but you just said you had 2 beers. So did you have a shot
No,
and 2 beers?
no. That's why I'm correcting you.
Okay.
Is because I had a shot and I had a beer, and that was it.
Okay.
It's called a schooner, so it's a little beer
Okay.
and a little shot.
I'm gonna walk to my car over here, okay?
Yeah. I didn't see it, and I like rubbed by it, and I'm like, oh yeah.
I hear you. I just want to know where it was at. That's
It was
what I'm-
over there.
Where's over where? Because over there's like Spokane, over there's like Seattle. I don't know where over there is.
No, over there was over there at the donkey.
Over there at the donkey.
Yeah.
Okay, they have a yellow pillow there or something.
All right, thank you. Go ahead and have a seat for me right there.
And you know what? I'm going to tell you right now.
Yeah.
I was at home, and you guys came to me and was aggressive at home.
Okay.
And I had nothing to do with drinking and driving at that time. I was already at home, and I had a couple beers at home. So, anyways, that's my statement. That's my comments. And I hope this is being recorded. I'm just letting you know, I did not drink and drive
Okay.
at all.
Okay.
So, anyways,
Can I read?
I would respect these getting off and me going back home.
That's not gonna happen.
Well, whatever. I disagree with you,
Okay.
and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to call my lawyer.
Sure. And I'll get to that
and
point.
I'll have that done. You attacked me at my house, or not? I'm sorry, not attacked me, but you came to my house. I was sleeping in my bed at my home, and you guys came there.
Todd, is
Yeah.
your lawyer's phone number in your phone?
It is not.
Okay.
I
Can I read you? Can I read you this?
It might be.
And we can call him as soon as I get done reading this to you. Okay.
Okay.
We'll call him here in a sec. I just have to read you this stuff. It's kind of a process. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
But you came to my house.
I understand.
I was already there,
Okay.
and I was not driving. And you guys are going above and beyond.
Okay. So Todd, you have the right to remain
And
silent.
I love you anyways, okay? Because I respect you guys.
Okay.
I was military, so I respect you guys.
Todd, so you have, I'm just going to read you your constitutional rights again.
That's fine.
And then I'll let you call your lawyer.
And I disagree with what you're doing.
Okay. All this says is I have had read or had read to me the above explanation of my constitutional
Yep.
rights.
No.
You're not
I
gonna sign?
understand that. Let's go.
Would you sign that?
No, go ahead.
Okay. Not to my knowledge. It just appears to be a hit and run with property damage.
Roger, no. There's no hit and run.
I believe he does.
So I disagree on a bunch of things because I was at home
Okay.
and I was sleeping, and you guys woke me out of bed, and I had a couple beers when I was at home too, after driving. You guys did not catch me or while I was, under the influence as driving. So I'm going to disagree to agree as far as what you guys are calling me on because I was at home. So I understand that you guys have your own little deals that you got to do, but I guarantee you that I was not driving while under the influence, and I hope this is all recorded because I am going to tell you I never drive under the influence. So if I'm at home when you guys came and got me, and I had a couple beers after the fact, then you know what? Bad on you. Sorry. You hear me?
I am listening to you. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So
We will agree to disagree on how you feel.
that's fine. I was at home in my bed.
You were actually passed out at the wheel of your vehicle.
No, I was not. I was at home.
You don't remember me having you get out of the vehicle?
I was at home.
Okay.
But again, that has nothing to do with me and driving, because I was not driving when you guys pulled me or took care of me. So,
Deep breath. Blow into it. Blow, 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 blow. So we just got to do one more of those and then we're done, okay?
okay. Yeah, no, it was just a accidental rub on a stand. That was it.
Did you exchange any information to let them know that you hit the stand or anything?
Why? There was nothing. I didn't damage anything. It was just a little rub.
Did you get them checked?
Yeah.
Okay.
It was just a little, not a big deal. Not like you guys are making of it. You guys are making a big deal of everything. But
Todd,
it was not a big deal.
The front of your car, the front corner driver's side is all the way pushed in.
No. It's not a big deal.
Okay, but it was pushed in, so I think it was more than just a rub, is what I'm getting.
No, it was a rub.
Okay,
That was it.
fair enough.
I mean, Chevy is a Chevy. If it was a Ford, probably wouldn't have that much damage.
All right, come on up.
That was
I
funny,
I smiled,
right?
I laughed.
I know.
Yeah, it was good.
Deputy Hazard B+. Legally grounded stop. Proper accommodation. Timely Miranda. Proportionate force throughout. Deductions. Non-compliant test surface. Inadequately documented. Post-invocation dialogue not cleanly closed. The subject C. Physical compliance at arrest was correct and critical. Against that, 4 inconsistent statements. A retracted denial and continued. Speech after invoking counsel, each a self-inflicted wound. 3 takeaways. For officers, test surface conditions must be compliant and documented. Procedural gaps are suppression arguments you hand to the defense. For subjects, invoking counsel is only effective when followed by silence. A request for an attorney immediately contradicted by continued statements provides no meaningful protection. For everyone, consistency in early statements matters before probable cause forms. Shifting accounts do not merely damage credibility, they build the case against you. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like discussed in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out Street Bodycam for more police interaction and courtroom content.